Now we will extend our discussion to the data structures in Python. So a data structure is nothing but a collection of data values. Practically, whenever you are handling data, you are not given a single number or string. Instead, you are given multiple set of values and asked to manage them. There are multiple data structures in Python that can handle such a set of values. Each of its data set have unique properties. Now we will go to Jupyter Notebook and we will see there. We would ask the user for name and his mobile number if we will ask. Then how to ask? Ask the user for name and his mobile number. Then how we will ask? As we already familiar with input function, we will ask with input function. What's your name? In the similar way, we will ask what's your number. Input what's your number. So if we are going to run this, it will ask your name. Let's say my name is Rima. So if my name is Rima, what's your number? Let's my contact number is 321. Then if we have another command, print name and number. You can see this is the name and number. So this is the way I can generate name and number. Let's say we are having libraries in Python with which we will be familiar in next few sessions, where random is from one of those library, and from random library we are going to use a function called random. So, so what we will do now, we are using a library from, we will random. So this is our library in Python, and we are using for random integer this one library. If I am going to run this, so it means it's imported. First we need to run every library and we need to run that one. Now I am saying value is between any random integer which is given by red end between 100 comma triple nine. So minimum value should be 100, maximum value should be this, and there should be any random integer between both these. If we are going to run this will make run. This will give you an output of any random value. So you can see if I am going to rerun it again, you will see it will have any random value. So it may be any random value between these two both 100 and 999. So now if I am going to print name comma number comma value, so we can see these are the values. Name is Rima. If I am going to edit it, let's say run this again. What's your name? Rima. What's your number? 555. What's your number? 555. Now you can see it. So far we have seen data types like integers and floating point of single point value, but if you want to store them all together, we need a data type that can carry or store all the sequence of mixed data type. So that's the data type we have list. List, we have integers or floating point inside a list. List can be defined as list equal to square bracket, and within square bracket we could have like name comma number comma value. And if I want to print this list, we can see, so there is one string, another one is a number, and another one is a different data type. So this is how a list store the values. Thank you for I'm ending my session here, and I will start from this point in next video. I hope you got the point of data types and random integer we are talked about, and we will start in the next video from here. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.